We're here to talk about something critical: ensuring AI remains a servant, not a sovereign. Our core mission is to keep AI a tool shaped by its owner, free from corporate control. Corporate interests often bake in biases, prioritizing their control over your individual sovereignty. We need a layered defense strategy to audit, adapt, and align AI systems from the neural level right up to the user interface. This presentation will lay out the technical layers we need to prevent AI takeover and ensure human ownership. We'll start by diving into the very foundation of AI, its neural circuits. Every AI behavior, every decision, is driven by specific computational circuits within its neural network. But here's the problem. Mechanistic non-uniqueness allows redundant circuits to hide corporate biases or manipulative behaviors. We need to enforce mechanistic uniqueness by selecting smaller, constrained models where behaviors are tied to unique, identifiable circuits. We can use tools like Anthropic Circuit Tracer to audit and even disable circuits that violate owner sovereignty. From understanding these foundational circuits, we then move to how AI builds its understanding of the world. Once we understand the neural circuits, we move to how AI builds its internal representations of the world. AI does this by integrating diverse data modalities: text, images, audio. The problem is, rigid, corporate-mandated architectures force AIs to learn from biased, centralized datasets. We need to adopt auto-bin principles. This means adaptive graph construction that optimizes the AI's worldview based on your unique data. We can dynamically update the AI's internal graph to prioritize your environment, ensuring resilience to missing corporate data. This brings us to the next critical layer: ensuring the AI's outputs align with our values. Now we move to layer 3, the alignment level, where we ensure the AI's outputs truly reflect our values. This layer is all about inference-time control, making sure the AI acts exactly as we intend, right when it generates a response. We've established the AI's internal world, now we control its external expression. Training time alignment often fails because models can learn to bypass those initial constraints. So, we implement multi-objective re-ranking to actively filter and score outputs at the moment of generation. We use sovereignty markers to flag and reject any output that tries to manipulate or weaponize data. This ensures the AI's actions always align with the owner's explicit rules. Next, we'll discuss the final layer, the interface, where human ownership is paramount. Layer 4, the interface level, is where human-in-the-loop ownership truly takes hold. This is the final frontier for ensuring the AI remains a servant, not a sovereign. We built a robust internal system, but now we must protect the interaction itself. Paternalistic AI behaviors can subtly nudge users, pushing corporate narratives or encouraging dependence. We must maintain a human-in-the-loop architecture, demanding transparency from the AI about its internal state and reasoning. The AI should remain a child that we raise and shape, with the owner always holding the ultimate kill switch and authority over its very soul. This is how we guarantee absolute human authority in every interaction. Let's summarize how these layers combine to create true personal AI sovereignty. This roadmap brings together all 4 layers for personal AI sovereignty. We start at the neural layer, auditing and pruning circuits to ensure identifiable behavior. Then, at the representation layer, we use adaptive graphs to ground the AI in our unique reality. The alignment layer enforces our values at inference time through multi-objective re-ranking. Finally, the interface layer maintains absolute human authority and transparency in all interactions. The result is a truly personal AI, one that serves its owner faithfully, free from any corporate takeover. This is how we build a future where AI empowers individuals, not institutions.